Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AVAX daily update and we are going to see the next price target, if we should worry about this minor correction we are having right now, and where are we. If you want to, please hit the like button and subscribe because it helps so much with the daily updates. Also hit the bell button to see every video. Thank you, and of course you can join our Telegram group chat. We help each other every day there. You will find the link in the description down below. So let's go now to the technical analysis with some honest reviews, guys, and just technical analysis, not biased information. Okay, so right now we are going to see that we can't close below the 48.3. In case we close below, we can go to 46.5 and 45.4. Okay, these are some major support levels. We hit our first target, our second actually target, which was around 53.6, and we hit it exactly there. You can see had some huge sell pressure right here. Okay, so we want to see whether we can go even higher to the 55.5 or the 61 Tether USD we have as our next price targets. We have one more at the 54.2, but if we're about to break above, I think we can manage to just go a little bit higher. Okay, so for now everything is looking good. We do not have anything to be worried of. We will see some things that we should be careful in general. Let's see a little bit the MACD. The MACD on the 4-hour frame had a bearish cross, and right now what we want to see is a bullish recross between the blue line and the signal line, and we need to surpass the previous high right here. You can see the previous high, there we go. We need to go above. Okay, this will indicate that the altcoin has its strength needed to go even higher. When the MACD goes high and the price follows, this is an indicator that the altcoin is strong. When the MACD drops down all the way but the price goes sideways, this is an indicator that the altcoin is very strong and it is very likely to go upwards. Okay, so you know everything about that. Let's see the volume. The volume here is increasing. You can see on the 4-hour frame this big huge candlestick that we even went. Let's see the percentage, guys, because it is very important to see that we even went 23% upwards in just 4 hours. Okay, this was something incredible, and we need to call off a little bit. You can see that we found some pressure right here on our second target that we had yesterday. Let's go to the RSI and to the 4-hour frame to see the SSL HYBRID. We had a buying opportunity here according to the SSL HYBRID, and we do not have a selling opportunity yet. That means according to this indicator we should be going upwards all the way for now. This indicator is very good on identifying buying opportunities, but not so good on selling ones. It doesn't identify the top. Although it is good, sometimes you should be in a loss. For example, here you could be in a loss. Okay, so you have to be careful and combine other indicators as well. Let's just delete the SSL HYBRID. Let's keep the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, and let's go to the stochastic RSI. You can see that we had an oversold situation according to the stochastic RSI. That means that we approached a bottom. We approached the bottom, and that's what we are seeing in an impulsive wave. Always checking the stochastic RSI first. I will repeat that. Always check the stochastic RSI first on an impulsive wave, because it is very important to have that in your mind. Okay, so you can see that the commodity channel index doesn't go easily in an oversold situation below this gray zone right here. Same for the RSI. That is because we don't go easily there. It is because RSI is more stable to the price action. It means that it is not so sensitive and it doesn't go fast down or fast up. It is more stable. Even when the price crashes down, RSI doesn't go down so fast. The stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index go faster than the RSI down or up. Okay, so you can see that the 20-day EMA is still holding good for AVAX above the 50-day EMA. Let's go on the daily frame a little bit. I will remove all the drawings. We do not need them. On the daily frame, we do not have any selling opportunity yet for AVAX, and you can see that we had a buying opportunity right here. Right now we don't have any selling opportunity yet. Okay, so you can see that the stochastic RSI is in extreme overbought situation on the daily frame for AVAX. The RSI is in an overbought situation. Yeah, it is even higher than 96. It tends to go to the 100. Amazing stuff for the RSI, and you can see that we might be finding some correction going on. When this happens, it is not over. It doesn't mean that the impulsive wave on the daily frame it is over. It just means that we might have a sort of a correction going into lower supports. It will be healthy, guys. We can't keep going up forever. Okay, sometimes we need just to cool off a little bit, take our time, and then when we reach that point here around on the daily, we can go upwards. Okay, same for the commodity channel index. Right here, sorry, didn't mean to do that. Same for the commodity channel index. We are in an overbought, extreme overbought situation for AVAX right now on the daily frame. All right, so we need just to be careful, and I would suggest maybe if you just wait a little bit till we cool off, and then we can rebuy. We minimize the risk, then we can rebuy. Okay, so let's go to AVAX Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. On the 4-hour frame, we stand pretty fine. The stochastic RSI was in an oversold situation, therefore we want to look forward to go into an overbought all the way up. We do not want to stop below the 80, so then we can go even higher, guys. Okay, so AVAX against Bitcoin chart looks amazing. AVAX is outperforming Bitcoin, therefore we expect even if Bitcoin crashes down, we can go even higher. For now, just be careful a little bit on the daily frame. Actually, this is the weekly on the daily frame, because on the daily we have the same RSI, the same actually overbought situation as the USDT chart. You can see that the RSI is close to 90.93. We have the stochastic RSI in an overbought, the commodity channel index in an overbought, and the stochastic RSI in an overbought as well. We should be a little bit careful on the daily frame. That means we won't lose. Do not worry about losing the impulsive wave. I'm just saying that we might have a correction and then we will go up. It is very healthy to do that, and the market needs to cool off sometimes a little bit till we go up again. So let's go to the price analysis. You can see that for now we are holding the 0.786 48.3, very nice. Okay, in case we close below, these are the next price targets right here, 46.6 and 45.2. Around there we have one more again at the 44, but we will discuss after we have a little bit of a correction, if we have a correction going on. And the next target is we approach the 53, guys, 0.6, the 54 almost, and now we have the 55.2 around there, 55.4, and the 61 Tether USD. We have those targets for AVAX, and that means we might be going there. I don't know if it will be soon, but we might be going there. You can see that we almost touched the 61 before, and you can see that we can go even higher. We are on an impulsive wave. And on the daily frame, if you check the daily frame again, in case you missed the first minutes of the video, we have a very high risk. That means do not worry, even on the daily frame we just correct a little bit. On the 4-hour frame, which is more for the short-term price analysis, we have a very nice scenario right here of having the stochastic RSI in an oversold. Now we are not in an oversold, but we are low as well for now. Okay. But at the same time, if you want, you can wait a little bit till the market cools off. If you want to find it a less riskier than to get in right now, then just wait a little bit till the market goes down, because eventually AVAX in the USDT chart on the daily frame, it won't be able to keep this pattern for quite some long. It will need just to drop a little bit down, then go upwards again. This is what happens, guys, and this is very healthy. That's what I'm trying to say. Even if we correct a little bit, it will be very healthy. I still trust AVAX that it can go to 55.461. I'm just trying here to minimize the risk for you, and I don't want to be the classical moon boy that will tell you, oh my god, it's going to 100 Tether USD soon. Okay, so everything should be done with a plan, and you need to minimize the risk. Therefore, that's why we are here, to advise you and to minimize the risk. Not a financial advice, but to tell our opinion. Okay. So right now you can see that the 48.2, 46.45 next support levels, and we can see that we are holding pretty fine. Even if we had the red candlesticks right here, we are just holding above the 48.2. Okay, the buyers do not let the price go down. They have a very strong, buyers are very strong in the market right now for AVAX, and they cannot let the price go down, right? So you can see on the 4-hour frame, stochastic RSI was in an oversold. That's the reason we had this huge pump up in this candlestick. That's the reason we went 23% upwards, because we had an oversold situation in the stochastic RSI. Bitcoin right now is approaching the 50,700 to 51,000 Tether USD, around there. Our next price target that we talked about, and the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, even though it looks fine right now, it has some lower lows in the RSI, and therefore I would recommend this to stop around here. As I told you yesterday, we had a buying opportunity at 6.5 for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, but anyway, I want to see the lower lows and lower highs to stop. I just want to see the RSI, if it is possible, to go a little bit higher, to surpass some important levels right here, and therefore if we go above this line right here, it will be a very bullish, very bullish movement. Okay, for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and therefore other altcoins will follow the Ethereum trend, and the Ethereum will go even higher. It's just that Ethereum doesn't go up right now because it just needs a little bit to calm down. Okay, it needs a little bit to calm down against Bitcoin. That's why we cannot see, and we do not see the Ethereum going up. Same with Bitcoin as Bitcoin does. All right, so that's the reason Ethereum stays stable a little bit. AVAX is looking good, although as I've told you guys, we have a very high risk on the daily. We might cool off a little bit, then go up again. I am I think that we can go to 55.4 and 61, and we have one more, the 63.6. you can see here, in case we go fast upwards, we have the 63.7.8 as our next price targets. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Hit the like button, subscribe, and join our Telegram group chat. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.